Now you cooling down, aren't you?
Uh-huh. Is that the steam train right over there that we see? The puff of smoke?
Yeah, I think it is. There's two of them actually.
Mm-hmm.
But, yep, the one on the left, yeah, they both are. They're right back to back. So we're starting our day in Durango, Colorado. We just left the hotel, the Holiday Inn, and they have been super accommodating to us. Wonderful place. I highly recommend the Holiday Inn downtown in in Durango. And our adventures today, we're going to make the Telluride loop. We're going to ride the $1 Million Highway all the way to Ouray and Ridgway, and then we're going to come back the backside and come down through Telluride. We're going to stop this morning at Silverton for breakfast, and then probably stop at Telluride for lunch. But we're going to make lots and lots of stops, enjoy the ride, and enjoy the scenery, because there's lots of really awesome scenery, a lot of places to stop and take photographs. This is not going to be one of those high pressure, high intensity rides where we're trying to get from point A to point B as fast as we can, and we're going to challenge ourselves on the highway like some people do. If that's your style of riding, good for you, but we're not going to do that. We want to enjoy the ride. We want to enjoy the scenery and take our time. I don't remember this lane ending anywhere or turning off at one of the side streets, but we'll just keep an eye out for it just in case.
Oh, sorry. You're gonna have to bleep that one, Kevin.
There's the Animas River.
The very first hotel that we stayed at in this town is right up here somewhere.
Yeah, I'd be up here closer to the stoplight, I think.
We stayed here with Dwayne and Diane one time.
Right?
That's it. You're right. It's this one. Didn't seem like it was this far out of town or on this side of town, but
right.
You're right, because we walked in the front door right there and we parked.
Yeah, we went through that little alleyway right there. Yeah.
Red light. Oh, green light.
Green light.
We'll stop by this.
Here's our city market.
Yeah, we like that one. No, that's not the one we're thinking of. Is it?
We like, yeah, city markets are good.
But is this the one that we stopped at when we were with?
It's out of town.
The rest of our group?
It's at the junction or
that's what I thought.
Something crossing up here.
Uh-huh.
So we're starting out all dressed up, full leathers, and I'll tell you what, it's probably just about perfect weather for that. 54 degrees right now.
I should probably have went, because
we're gonna get out of town here in a minute.
There's a liquor store that makes bee whiskey, I think. It's on the left up here.
Yeah, honey
right?
whiskey. Honey whiskey, yeah.
Is that going out a different direction?
No, it's this way. It's a little town called Hermosa. That's where the honey whiskey is.
Yeah. I'm not going to be in a hurry.
Okay.
All right, I'm going 60.
You're doing perfect. There's a lot of straightaway from here all the way to Hermosa.
When we were coming in last night, we could see a lot of snow on some of these mountaintops. So you can see one right up there. Kind of at the, 2 o'clock hour on the screen.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, up there between those. I'm going to ride beside you for a little ways. I think we should be getting close to the waterfall. Isn't that it right over there on the left?
I can't. All I see is that house. Yeah, that's Waterfall Ranch, I think it's that.
Yeah, it's a small one.
Uh-huh.
This is Trimble Crossing right here, where the grocery store is on the right, in this little shopping center.
Yeah, that's where we hit the grocery store a couple times when we were here one year.
Very nice. Little town of Hermosa. If I remember my Spanish correct, it stands for beautiful.
Hermosa? It's beautiful.
Once we get across the railroad tracks on the left should be the Honey Whiskey place.
There we go, we're going over the tracks. Whoop.
All right, here is Honeyville.
What's that right over there, Kevin? Oh, those are cows. I thought those were elk. Yeah, here's Honeyville on the left.
Now from here on up to Silverton, there should be some places where it's windy, but I don't think there's any real difficult turns.
Okay.
Should be a place coming up here pretty soon where it goes to, we got a passing lane on our side.
Well, I don't think there's anybody behind us, so I think we're okay right now, right?
Yeah. Yep, we're in great shape.
I don't have any desire to speed up and pass these guys in front of us.
No, we're good.
Yeah.
They know the road better than we do, so let them go.
Yep.
All I can say is this is just awesome.
I went from 160 miles down to 139 miles.
Okay.
But yes, this is fabulous. Absolutely fabulous.
Just breathtaking. Oh, here's the place we were supposed to stop and get in our hands in the mineral. That's a hot springs. I thought it was further up there. Oh well. Here's the passing lane.
I'll stay over here. A little close to the edge, isn't it?
Not really. I mean, it feels like it, but really it's not. Because you can see the grass and stuff on the other side of it. And it's not a straight down drop off either.
Okay.
Get up here, take some pictures of you. Here's where the railroad comes around a big sweeping curve right here.
Oh, okay. On our left. Woo.
We're climbing pretty good.
Yeah.
Temperature staying the same. It's still 56, same as it was in Durango.
I was wondering what the temp was.
Look at those snow-capped mountains straight ahead.
Quite beautiful.
That looks like there's a lot of snow up there. All right, I'm going to back off, let you come over. San Juan National Forest.
There we go. Got a car coming up behind us.
Okay.
Hopefully he'll speed up and pass us up.
Yeah. I don't know how far it is up here, but there should be a pull-off overlook someplace. I think it's up here a little ways.
Okay. Down to 125 miles.
Okay. There's a gas station in Silverton.
Down to a half a tank. I used a quarter a tank to get from the hotel here.
Yeah. Yeah, I have too. I mean, we're climbing and our engines are probably still adjusting. You look good up there.
Huh?
You look good up there.
Oh, thank you. You look good back there. badass motorcycle that you're on.
Oh, it's nothing compared to yours.
Look at those mountains, would ya?
Oh my goodness. Take your breath away.
Uh-huh. What in the world is that? Oh, that's a llama.
Oh yeah.
And a baby llama. A mama llama and a baby llama. But that's hard to say.
Yeah. I'm going to be following a
Yeah, this
cement
electric
truck.
This electric truck is turning.
Yeah. I'm not going to be disappointed.
No.
This don't hurt my feelings at all. I like going slow.
I do too.
I'm not like
Yeah, I know what you're saying.
Smokey and the Bandit. We don't have a long way to go in a short time to get there. We got all day long to enjoy this.
Yes.
I don't think this is the, it's got to go on just a little ways further and then he'll pull over and we'll, if you want to, we can stay behind him. I don't care. Let that car behind us get around us. Boy, he just cut off that black truck, didn't he?
He did. He certainly did.
Mirrors are popping.
Yeah.
When we park up here at this rest area,
Yeah.
pull off, let's position the bikes so that we can get some real good photos.
This is just so pretty out here.
It is. Got an aspen forest to our left, pine forest to our right, meadow in between.
Snow in front of us.
Should be getting, yeah, Purgatory Resort's on the left.
What does the sign say?
Check your speed, prevent a crash.
Oh, wow. Okay. Check yourself before you wreck yourself.
You know what? That's a good statement. Oh, you can see straight ahead where you're going to go up the side of the mountain. Way off in the distance.
Think?
Yep. Yep, we're going to wind our way up over that mountain up there.
There's Purgatory.
Yep, this is Purgatory, the ski resort. What a beautiful valley this is. Well, I didn't know there was a tunnel.
I forgot.
It gets kind of windy here for a little bit, Joe.
Okay.
Wow, look at all the snow on that mountain up straight ahead.
That's a lot.
They're going to have a lot of runoff this year.
That's a good thing.
It's May 14th. It's our anniversary. 41 years today.
Yuppers.
Oh, this makes me happy. 45.
Yeah. Going 60, so I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna slow down a little bit.
Okay. Are those turkeys on the left? No, those are geese. Yeah, we got a Jeep on our ass.
Yeah.
Cascade Creek. We've dropped the temperature to 55. Still feels really, really awesome.
It's not bad. It would be terrible if the sun was covered.
Exactly.
Yeah. The sun's helping a lot.
Got a couple of 35s coming up.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
You're doing such a good job. You go the way it feels. If it feels good, you're doing it right. If it doesn't feel good, slow her down. We're in the snow. There's snow on the side of the road and down in the ditches. It just feels so awesome. It's like we're flying. Yeah, this is a non-event curve, 30. No, you're doing good. I'm watching your head. You're watching the road ahead of you. You're not watching your tire. That's good. You're doing good, keeping your head up and watching where you're going. How does it feel to you?
So far, good. So far, it feels pretty good. Yep, there's snow right there.
Look at all that snow. My goodness. Down to 53 degrees.
Here's a
30.
Whew. Oh, there's water right there.
Yeah. Not a lot, so you're going to be fine. Good, good, good. Good job. Yeah, but you handled it so good. Absolutely wonderful job, Joanne. Time for, what does Valerie call it?
I don't know.
Something arms, wiggly arms.
Oh, yeah. Spaghetti arms?
Yep, relax them. Spirit fingers. Like flying 2 feet above the ground.
On the nose of an airplane.
Right, right. Well, we're in the shadows now, and the clouds up there.
Yeah.
Down to 50 degrees.
Whoa.
I don't know about you, but this still feels really good to me. I was sweating so bad down here in Durango.
I was hot.
But we're layered up really good. We also have our electric vests that we can turn on.
Yep.
Here's Coal Bank Pass. We don't want to stop here. It's not paved. We are definitely up in the snow. All right, stay to the yellow line. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful.
Gonna go down to third gear.
You're doing wonderful. We gotta, don't look in your mirror. Don't worry about them. You just pay attention to what's ahead of you. Yeah, you're doing an awesome job. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful those peaks are off out there.
We're gonna be up there amongst them pretty soon, aren't we?
Yeah, I think there's another pull-off that we should be coming up to on another pass that we can stop and get off and walk around.
Okay, this one says 25.
Okay.
This one's a nervous one, but we're gonna do it.
Yeah,
Pull over behind me, Kevin, so you're not on the edge.
Okay. I'm in third gear. It feels good for me. Yeah, this is a non-event turn. Just keep your head up and watch around the corner. You're doing awesome. Yeah, perfect, perfect, perfect. Good job, Joanne. Good job.
Third.
Third?
Yeah, third gear.
Okay, I was third gear also.
All right, stay to the left, Kevin.
Yes, I'm going to the left.
Ugh.
Yeah, you're good. You're doing wonderful. Molas Pass Summit, 4 miles. I think that's where we got to go to our next stop.
Is what?
4 more miles.
Okay.
Well, I'd never guessed that this was a 30 curve. Yep, keep your heads up, watch the road. All right.
Did we pass the tunnel? Oh, look at there. Oh, that's
Wow.
beautiful.
Well, I didn't see a tunnel. I thought we were going to go through a tunnel.
I thought it said there was one.
They might be talking about the one that's on the other side of Silverton.
Oh, that could be.
This just seems so unnatural. It's like
Yeah.
we shouldn't be here. I mean, we're up in the snow.
On a motorcycle of all things. Yeah.
Right. All right, here's where we're going to stop and take some pictures. So we want to make sure that, how do you want to stage the motorcycles to get some pictures? Nose to
Well,
nose?
I don't know. Any direction you go, there's going to be snow.
Do you want our motorcycles nose to nose, B-shaped?
Is it right here?
Yeah.
I don't know. How the hell did I get it in neutral? It's loose gravel right here, honey.
Yeah, it's loose gravel all the way around here, so we just want to be real careful. You're doing wonderful. You want to park it right here?
Yeah, I think I'm like right in here somewhere.
And I'll go turn around and come back nose to nose.
I think we're good.
All right, I got to make sure I raised my lid. I want to make sure. Can you hear me okay?
Yes.
Okay, I'm ready when you are. You're doing an awesome job, though.
Well, thank you. It's a little nerve-wracking, but it's just got to stay focused.
You know, it is nerve-wracking, and at the same time, it's just so joyous. It's like,
Yeah.
This is so much fun riding bikes up here.
Yeah, it is. As much as Oklahoma is God's country, this is God's country.
It truly is.
This is the majestic side of God that
Right.
is just breathtaking.
And I think from here it's all downhill. Oh, the lake's still got ice on it.
Oh, it sure does.
When you go around this corner, look up.
Yeah. To the right or to the left?
Left. Isn't that like totally cool or what?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, I see Silverton down there. So we don't have very far to go down this spot right here. Yep, third gear, second gear, whatever feels best.
I think I'm in third.
Right. On these curves.
Okay.
Yeah, it would keep your eyes up.
Yep.
Awesome job. That actually wasn't as bad a curve as, I mean, when you looked at it, you think, oh no, but it wasn't bad at all.
No.
When we were with Dwayne and Diane, they were working on this next curve up here, and we got stopped right here.
Oh, I remember that.
This would be a cool place to be able to sit up here. Is the railroad right down below us? I'm not sure.
I think so. Well, it's got to be. I think it's on this side of the river.
Yeah.
So it's got to be on this side.
Right. It'd be nice to be able to know the schedule where they're at, be able to watch that train come through.
Mm-hmm.
It's just so awesome up here.
It's quite beautiful, refreshing.
Yes.
Oh, watch the edge there.
I'm watching you. Yeah. Yeah, that is the railroad down there, Joanne.
All
You
right.
can see it now.
All right, this one's 20.
20 curve. Looks like it's really, really wide. Makes you wonder, why is this one 20? Because it seems like it's just as big as the 30 that we had back there.
Yeah. I forgot to push the clutch in.